I've been searching for a perfect desk chair for a while now, something that's practical, super comfortable, and allows for changing positions while I work. And I think I might have finally found it in this COMHOMA Criss Cross Chair. Let's start with the basics. It arrived well packaged with all the tools included for easy assembly. I had it fully put together in about 10 minutes. And I love that the instructions gave me a hack, using the box as a prop for the hardest part of chair assembly, connecting the seat to the back. I've put together a lot of office chairs, and I wish I'd thought of this myself years ago. The first thing I noticed was the sleek design. It has a modern minimalist look that fits perfectly in smaller spaces like my home office. The seat is cushioned but firm, just the right balance for long hours at a desk. And yes, it's on wheels, so it glides smoothly across both carpets and hardwood floors. Now let's talk about comfort. The velvet is so soft while still being breathable, which is a huge plus if you're sitting for hours. The height is fully adjustable, and the chair has a subtle tilt feature that lets you lean back just enough to stretch without feeling unstable. The base is really sturdy, and the wheels feel solid, not flimsy like you'd expect at this price point. So what's the one feature that really makes this chair different? The extra large seat. It allows me to curl up when I need a change of position, which makes a huge difference in my overall stiffness at the end of the day. So is this the perfect chair? For me, it checks every box. Affordable, stylish, comfortable, and supportive. If you've been endlessly searching for the right chair, this might be the one. Links to the COMHOMA Criss Cross Chair are in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews.